Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill a series in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. The first topic is filling a series with formatting. For instance, let's say I have a series created, such as Monday. Now if I drag down this list, it saves us from filling a series with formatting. So as I drag down, I'll get the entire series list along with the formatting, right? That's very simple. The font color or style written will be copied here. Similarly, if you apply bold, italics, underline, or any font, the formatting will be copied. But what if I do not want the formatting? Only the values. How do I achieve that? I'll just keep my cursor and drag it down the bottom. I've got the formatting, but I don't want it. So I'll click on the small drop-down list at the bottom. There's an option called Fill Without Formatting. If selected, the series will be filled, but the formatting will not be applied. This way, only the text will be displayed without any formatting. Likewise, if I don't want the text, but only want to copy the format, I can select this option, drag down, and click on this drop-down again, choosing Fill Formatting Only. Only the background color, for example, will be copied. Notice that the formatting is copied, but not the text. The series remains the same. Now in the first list, it gives me Saturday, Sunday, and other weekends. However, as I work in a company, I only want the weekdays. To achieve this, I keep my cursor on the cell and drag down. I don't want Saturday and Sunday, I want only the weekdays. I'll click on this drop down and select the weekdays option. Once I click on Fill Weekdays, if you see, Monday to Friday are displayed, excluding Saturday and Sunday. These options are available in the series field. You can use this instead of using Format Painter or other drag-down options. This can be very useful. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.